Hey everyone, thanks for joining me again. I am doing a swipe today. I'm just laying down my pillow paint, my house paint. This is the one from Homebase for everyone that's in Ireland or the UK. And if you're new, please subscribe if you haven't and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. If you are watching and you're already subscribed, thanks for joining me again. I will go over my pouring medium after I'm done laying down the colors. This first color is Primary Yellow by Amsterdam. And when you're doing these swipes, you want the house paint that you're putting down to be nice and thick. And don't spread it. And if you're going for what I'm going for anyway, don't spread it. This is Jasmine by Primary Elements. One of my favorite colors. And don't forget, if you're going to order, use my coupon code below to get 20% off the Sheleeart website. And next is Northern Lights by Primary Elements. Very shimmery and color shifting. I'm not using every single one of these paints that I have, the colors that I have laid out. I just set up so I can do multiple pours. So, although I don't think that would be a bad thing, to be honest. Okay, and then we're going to go for, what are we going to go for? If I remember correctly, it's Greenish Blue by Amsterdam, but we'll see. Just popping some air bubbles. And don't forget, guys, if you haven't seen my Arteza video, or the Arteza giveaway video, it's 2 videos back. It's running for 2 weeks, and Arteza asked me to host a giveaway, so I'm hosting one, and I get to pick the winner randomly, and then get your info if you win, and Arteza will send you 14 of their colors, their pouches, the 120 mil. So it's a really good giveaway. And you guys know I like Arteza paints. I use them all the time. But yeah, it's 2 videos back, so enter. I think I have like over 200 entries right now. So yeah, I was right. Greenish Blue by Amsterdam. Surprise, surprise. And then Lamp Black by Amsterdam as well. I do have Oxide Black coming in the post from Amsterdam. From what I was reading, the Oxide Black is a lot darker, or has more pigment in it. I don't know. So I'm going to go, it's a heavier black than the Lamp Black. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is Rose by Amsterdam and Australian Flood Floetrol 1:1. That's how I do it. You have to play with it to get the consistency. I like it a bit thicker, not thicker than the paints that I laid down, but it seems to be giving me better lacing using the 1:1. Everything works different for everybody, I guess. You just have to play and experiment. But yes, so first time doing the Rose as a cell activator, but it's Amsterdam. So I can't guarantee, I don't know, the only time I use, or the only brand paint that I use for the activator for what I'm swiping with or what I'm blowing with if I'm doing blooms is Amsterdam. I have tried to blow out blooms with Arteza paint. It does not work for me. Now, that being said, the Arteza paints do work using them in the bloom technique or the swipe technique. I use them all the time, just not for the cell activator. So there's other artists using, I believe, other brands for the cell activator and you know, for swipes and all that. But I've only ever used the Amsterdam, which I'm a huge fan of Amsterdam. So you guys know that as well. I'm Amsterdam, Arteza, and Primary Elements. I do have to say I want to get some golden. I've never used the golden, so I know Karen, a Waterfall Acrylic, she uses golden a lot. A lot of people do, but I always see her using it, and she gets some awesome results. So channel plug, go check out Waterfall Acrylics. But so yes, I definitely want to get my hands on some golden. Play with that. Okay, so this should be sped up times 2, guys. I'm just like rambling. I don't even know if I went over the pouring medium. I don't think I did. Did I? I don't know. So it's 3 parts Valspar untinted base paint, base C, V700 blend. So 3 parts that, 1 part polyurethane gloss varnish. And I'll have that all listed in the description. Instead of going over it every single time. I mean, I'll say what I'm using, but I have a mixing video and I'll list the products in the description. Very important, like I said before, knowing where the weight of your paint is and maneuvering it around. I always try to, when I'm tilting, whichever way I tilt to go over a corner, when I'm done going over that corner, I try to tilt back into the same direction that I tilted to begin with. Because you want the paint to kind of go back and keep your cell structure and your lacing and all that intact. So I find that when I go thinner on the cell activator, that the lacing or the cells lose their shape a lot easier. As well as the tube paints, like the Amsterdam paints that I am using in here, they would be a small bit thicker than the primary elements when I'm doing my mix. So I put like 5 mil of the tube paints and then like roughly like 25 mil of the pouring medium, and then same with like a 1/4 teaspoon of the pigment powder, and then 25 mil of the pouring medium. And then to make the tube paints thinner, I would add some of the varnish, or a tad bit more of the pouring medium, just in general, just to get them a bit thinner, rather than thickening up the primary elements. So I like where this is at right now, but I feel like there's maybe a little too much paint, and so I need to stretch it a bit more to get some of that paint off, and then also to make it not so center the rose. I love that yellow corner. Yeah, it just reminds me of something out of Dr. Seuss. What else? I don't know. I got some love handles from Lowly Veffy to, I love the name. I'm doing like a beta test, which I've always wanted to do a beta test. I think that's what it's called. But I've always wanted to do one, and so I'm doing one with these love handles. You attach them around, you know, the canvas, and they're like handles, so you don't have to hold on to the canvas. You hold on to the handles and move around the paint. So you'll be seeing those in my videos. It'll be a beta test, so, you know, they're not up for sale yet and all that, so. But we'll see how they go, how I get on with them. So yeah, those are from Lowly Veffy. I have if you want the matte, I'm not using the matte in this video because, like I said, I think I said I'm using it to dry a few paintings on. And then I have to get a good clean. So, but I have a 5 off. But check out their website. They have some really cool bottles. They're like the clear bottles with the twisty tops, and they're a really cute logo on them. The mattes, and then if you're into resin, they have some silicone molds, apron, and yeah, just check them out. I have the website listed below, and a $5 off one of the mats if you want to purchase one. So I'm just, yeah, happy with this swipe. I think it's awesome. I love doing these swipes. I am just having so much fun doing these swipes. It's kind of ridiculous how much fun I'm having doing these swipes. But here we have it, close up, and I'm gonna log off here. So thank you guys for joining me again, and if you're new, please subscribe and help me reach my milestone to 50,000 subscribers. I'm just shocked that I have what I have right now, which is like, I think almost 43,000. Insane. Love it. Having so much fun. So thank you guys. But until next time, check the description below for links and details on the pouring medium. I still have a coupon code for the Sheleeart course if you're interested in taking that. That was like game changer for me as far as experimenting with just pigments and different mediums and stuff like that. So for me, it was, yeah, total game changer. I think you guys can kind of see that from the progression of my videos. I don't know. I can. But anyway, yeah, I will let you guys go. I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys. Check the Arteza video giveaway. Enter to win some paints. Bye.